In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk send SMS and emails in GoHighLevel. We'll walk through the entire process from your dashboard, so you can quickly reach a large group of contacts without sending messages one by one. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head to your main dashboard. This is your starting point for everything you'll do in the platform. From here, look for the contacts option in the left-hand menu and click on it. This will open your contact list, also known as your smart list. Once your contacts are visible, you'll see a white checkbox next to a contact name at the top of the list. Clicking this top checkbox will select all the contacts currently shown. If you don't want to message everyone, you can instead manually check only the specific contacts you want to include in your bulk send. Take a moment here to double check that you've selected the right people before moving on. With your contacts selected, look for the More button above the list and click on it. This opens up additional bulk actions. To start with SMS, choose the Send SMS option. A new window will open for your bulk SMS. Begin by clicking into the action name field and giving the send a clear, descriptive name. This is just for your internal tracking, so choose something that helps you recognize this campaign later, like March Promo SMS or Event Reminder. Next, click into the From Phone Number field and choose or enter the number you want your SMS to be sent from. Make sure this is a number that's properly set up in your GoHighLevel account and one your audience will recognize. You can now decide whether to use an existing SMS template. Click into the Pick an SMS template field to choose one if you've already created templates. If not, that's fine. You can type your message manually. In the message field, add your SMS content. Keep it short, clear, and to the point, and remember to include any key details like dates, times, or links. When you're happy with the SMS content, you're ready to move on to email. Click the More button again, and this time choose Send Email. Then click Confirm and proceed to open the email setup screen. Just like with SMS, start by entering an action name so you can easily identify this email send later. Then fill out the From name field with the name you want recipients to see in their inbox, and the From email field with the email address you want to send from. Make sure this is a valid, monitored email address. Next, add your subject line. This is what will appear as the main title of your email, so make it clear and compelling. Below that, you'll see the pre-header or preview text field. This is the short snippet that many email clients show next to or under the subject line. Use this to reinforce your message and encourage opens. In the Create Email section, you'll have three choices: Quick Compose, from Smart Builder, or Select Existing Template. Quick Compose is great if you just want to write a simple email on the spot. From Smart Builder helps you design a more structured, visually rich email. Select Existing Template is ideal if you already have a saved layout or campaign you want to reuse. Pick the option that best fits what you're trying to send. Once the editor opens, click into the main text area and add your email content. Make sure it aligns with the SMS you're sending, especially if they're part of the same campaign. Include all important information and consider adding a clear call to action, like visiting a page, replying, or booking a call. Take a moment to proofread your message for typos and clarity. When everything looks good, you're from details, subject, preview, and body content, scroll down and click on Send Email to complete the bulk send. And that's how you bulk send SMS and emails in GoHighLevel. Select your contacts, configure your SMS, then set up and send your email.